But this thing slides freely up and down. This thing engages and disengages, so if you can show you what I mean. See if you gauge that. See that? The parking brake's off. Pins are in, pin. Okay, so oh yeah, pin. I don't know if you can see that, but there is a spring. The spring is resting on, there's this little pin there. This metal pin rod. So the spring is resting on there. And this one, the spring is right on like that. The other side pin. Spring on the other side all the way to lock into there. So, okay, so and these are the those they keep them in place. Can't remember what they're called, but they're pins, so that they alignment pins. They're rested in place. And they're heavily lubed. There's 1, 2, and 3. I hope I covered all of this. Those 2 bolts right there. 2 bolts, 1, 2. Those ball joints inside. I think the alignment here is important. This parking brake alignment, and then the 2 center, the 2 discs, rotating discs, and rotary. So, thanks for watching.